I'm Chanel E. Martin, and I'm the creator of the first complete wash care system designed specifically for scalp health underneath long wear protective styles, science-backed ingredients that address buildup, inflammation, pH balance, and dryness, the four factors that contribute to thinning, pore length retention during a 2 to 6 week wear periods. So we are testing out, and I'm giving you a demo of 3 of the products in our system because I am wearing faux locs, and I've had these in for about almost 6 weeks. It's really time for me to take them out, but I want to stretch them a little bit more. And so what I have done is I have applied the rinse-free scalp reset. And what you do is you apply it directly to the area. It could be your edges where there might be product, buildup, gunk from edge control, and gels. And you can take a microfiber cloth or a t-shirt and you can gently wipe it. Now, the beautiful thing about this is that it is no rinse. And so you can get clean scalp and hair follicles with just a few sprays and a few minutes. And as you can see, there was product buildup, so I take my microfiber towel and I rub it, and you see it is gone just like that. Now, the next thing in our system is our hair and scalp growth oil. So it is a blend of 11 oils formulated for scalp nourishment and follicle support. There are key ingredients including rosemary, castor oil, neem oil, and what it does is it nourishes the follicles, reduces inflammation, and supports circulation, which can lead to hair growth and length retention. Now, what we do not have shown is our root to strand mist. Now, it is a lightweight hydrating mist for your roots and your hair strands, and it's essentially a dry shampoo, and you would apply it to the strands of your hair. But because I have braids, I don't necessarily need this, and so I wouldn't use this product on my faux locs. But if I had a sew-in, I would absolutely spray it to get a refreshed look. And then finally, we have our Freshen Up spray. It is an odor neutralizing spray for scalp and hair, and it is going to neutralize odor from sweat and sebum buildup, and it gives you a nice, refreshed, clean smell. And so this complete system, it is going to be your BFF